guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to install this beautiful unit that I have on, as well as reviewing it. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit the subscribe button. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Make sure you follow me on all my socials as well. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I am back with another wig review. Today, I will be reviewing the Perfect Hairline Lace Front Wig in the style Evona in the color Havana Brown. Now, I reviewed this unit last year, and I did it in the color number 2. And I really wanted the Havana Brown, but I don't know if they had discontinued it at the time or what happened, but I could not go back and find that color. So when it popped back out, I got it. So this wig comes in cream soda, Havana Brown, chocolate cream, cinnamon wine, all of those good fall colors. And this is a fall inspired video. So let's get into what she looks like straight out of the box, and I will be back to install her. Okay, so this is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig, meaning that you can style her different styles. You can middle part it, ponytail, you know, side part, however you want to do it. And they have the steps on the back of how you can do it as well. It is safe up to 400 and, well, no, just 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I wouldn't test that theory, you know, just use a little heat. Use what's necessary. You don't have to use a lot. Of course, it has all the specs and stuff on the inside for you guys as well. Now, let's see what it's talking about. So, I'm gonna put my brown wig cap on. I have not done anything to this wig but take the, or cut the lace off. So, reaching over to grab my wig stand. Y'all know how I go. So, this is what the curls look like. I did just comb the curls out. This is what it's looking like with the lace cut off as well. Let's take her off of my wig, my mannequin head, because my mannequin girl looking a little rough. But this is what the color looks like. I feel like this color is perfect for fall. It's like this nice soft chocolate color. She does come with 2 combs on the side as well as a strap. I'm assuming you probably could wear just glueless if you wanted to. We're gonna find out, because y'all know I don't really like to glue units down unless I have to. The inside is also breathable construction material. Comes with the comb in the nape area as well as some adjustable straps. So I am going to apply some foundation to the inside of this unit, and then I will be back to install her. Okay, so let's get into this hairline. Do y'all see it? That's why this is called the Perfect Hairline. That is exactly why this is called the Perfect Hairline. Now, this wig is too big for my head. So, if I was actually going to go in and install it, I would cut the lace down some on this side because it's a little big right there. If you guys can see the ear to ear, but it's definitely 13 around the front, and then the parting space is 6 inches, so you can see the parting space through there. You can actually see where I went in and tinted the lace. Look how these curls fall already. Let me get my wide tooth comb and let's work with her. All right, let's work with her, because I feel like this color, I already, y'all, let's not even play. Let's not even play. Don't, what the song say? Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I already feel sexy with this color. Y'all know anytime I start doing a little singing and I can't really sing, I'm excited. So I hadn't got any tangling, which is really good for a curly synthetic unit. I'm just playing around with it to see how I want to let it, you know, so you guys can see that you can part it on opposite sides, because it does have that 13x6 parting space. So you can switch the part to whatever side you want it to lay on. It falls really, really pretty, y'all. Like, look at this. And I hadn't even really styled it. Alright, for my girls that want to get their sexy vibe on, she is it. This girl is it. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of lace off right here because I can see this, so I'm sure y'all can see it. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to...
Okay, y'all, so this is Miss Evona. Evona is beautiful. She is gorgeous. She does have some shedding, and she will get tangled because of these big voluptuous curls. Let me stand up and let you guys see. Excuse my alarm going off. So she does have some big voluptuous curls that you guys can see, and it does tangle some, but it's not anything that's not manageable. As you guys saw when I was parting it, it tangled a little bit, and so I just used my wide tooth comb. Of course, a little patience and it'll come right on out. This color is beautiful. I am happy that I doubled back and tried this wig again in this color, because y'all, this is the perfect fall color. Like, this is the perfect chocolate brown. Oh my gosh. And it's giving me these body wave curls. Like, this is that girl. Evona is that girl. Go ahead and pick her up. She is worth every dime. Like, I will have all the details for you guys listed in the description box, but she's that girl. Now, I would not recommend that you sleep in her because of the curls, unless, you know, you have a good maintenance routine. You know, you can do that type of thing, but I don't typically sleep in my synthetic wigs because they do tend to tangle, and you gotta have a lot of patience to detangle them from that state. This wig is fairly long, so I want you guys to see that as well. She is long, so she's got some inches to her, and her being a 13x6, she's giving the lace front vibe, you know, so you can part it any type of way you want to part it. You can style it any type of way you want to style it. If you want to go for that updo, if you want to, you know, just go for a nice part like I did, the middle part, however you want to do it, you can do that. I showed you guys the parting space as well. She is definitely big head friendly, as you guys can see. It's a lot of space in the back, and I hadn't even cut the ear tab, so she's definitely big head friendly, and she can go glueless. Like, I just use the elastic band that I already have in the wig, and it's already tight on my head, and I feel comfortable with it this tight on my head as well. So Evona is that girl. Go pick her up. She is worth it, and pick her up in this color. Like, imagine showing up to Thanksgiving with this wig on, with this color. Like, she's a showstopper. She's a showstopper. Y'all need her. Get her in your arsenal. Put her in the collection, because she is perfect for the fall. Like, I can't even stop touching her because I just love the way these curls fall, and I love how, you know, it can give me that little bang yang effect if I want it. It's giving me, you know, makes me feel real sexy. These fall wigs fall just does something to me. Is fall anybody else's favorite season, or is it just mine? Comment down below and let me know if fall is y'all favorite season or not. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, 10 out of 10. Go ahead and pick her up. Don't even hesitate. Go ahead and get your coins. Call your mama. Text your daddy. Tell your man, hey, cash out me $50. I need this wig, because y'all need her. I promise y'all need her. You will not regret it. So go ahead and get those coins and pick her up, because this color right here is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it. Why? Because sharing is caring, and I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a brown heart in the comments if you finish this video incomplete, and if you feeling this unit the way I'm feeling it. Y'all know I'm extra. I always bring y'all the extraness. So, you know, I be hyping stuff up, but y'all know I'm real, so I'm gonna tell you if it's not any good either. This is it. This is it. You need her. As always, thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Now, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.